Most common English words. Part 2. Abstract nouns. First one. Auspicious day. Auspicious day. Shubhadinam. Next one. Superstitions. Superstitions. Moodanamakalu. Next one. Omen. Omen. Shekunamu. Next one. Zodiac. Zodiac. Rasi Chakramu. Next one. Wisdom. Wisdom. Jnanamu. Next one. Belief. Belief. Nammakam. Next one. Sacred. Sacred. Pavitramainadi. Next one. Funeral. Funeral. Antyakriya. First one. Attitude. Attitude. Vaikari లేదా తీరు. Next one. Hallucination. Hallucination. భ్రాంతి లేదా భ్రమ. Next one. Self esteem. Self esteem. ఆత్మాభిమానం. Next one. Speculation. Speculation. ఊహాగానం. Next one. Thought. Thought. ఆలోచన. Next one. Trust. Trust. విశ్వాసము. Next one. Courage. Courage. సాహసం. Next one. Daydream. Daydream. పగటి కల. First one. Baby shower. Baby shower. శ్రీమంతం. Next one. Housewarming. Housewarming. గృహప్రవేశం. Next one. Generosity. Generosity. ఔదార్యము. Next one. Loyalty. Loyalty. రాజభక్తి. Next one. Lullaby. Lullaby. జోలపాట. Next one. Delight. Delight. మహదానందం. Next one. Elegance. Elegance. సౌందర్యము. Next one. Sacrifice. Sacrifice. త్యాగం. First one. Pleasure. Pleasure. ఆనందం. Next one. Nap. Nap. కునుకు. Next one. Enthusiasm. Enthusiasm. అత్యుత్సాహం. Next one. Apprehension. Apprehension. దిగులు. Next one. Pride. Pride. అహంకారము. Next one. Hatred. Hatred. ద్వేషము. Next one. Ego. Ego. అహం. Next one. Deceit. Deceit. మోసం లేదా వంచన. First one. Envy. Envy. అసూయ. Next one. Anxiety. Anxiety. ఆందోళన. Next one. Chaos. Chaos. గందరగోళం. Next one. Misery. Misery. దురవస్థ. Next one. Patience. Patience. Sahanam లేదా ఓపిక. Next one. Mess. Mess. గజిబిజి. Next one. Aspiration. Aspiration. అభిలాష. Next one. Assassination. Assassination. రహస్య హత్య. If you think this video is useful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.